Alright, this is part 2 of section 4.3 dealing with definite integrals. And example 2 says to find the area of the x that's bounded by the x-axis, the graph of 2x plus 2, and the lines x equal to negative 2 and 3. So these are going to represent our starting and our ending values. So really what it's saying is to set up an integral that goes from negative 2 to 3. My starting point, that's my ending point, and I'm going to be finding the integral of this equation of 2x plus 2, and it's with respect to x. So find the area. So I have to refer to the graph of this, so what I have to do is I have to sketch this graph myself. Now it shouldn't be too difficult to find because 2x plus 2 is just a linear equation. Now I have to show this graph all the way until negative 2. So the first thing I do is I graph this. It has a y-intercept of 2, and my slope is 2. So I'm going to first of all go all the way to 3. Because it's easier if I just go back forward instead of going backwards. So if I go up 2, the slope is over 1. Then I have to do that again. I have to go up 2 over 1, and then up 2 more, and then over 1. And let's just pretend this is a straight line. And then that's my vertical line at x equal to 3. And then I have to go all the way down to negative 2. So here's negative 1, here's negative 2. So I have to go down 2 over 1, and then down 2 over 1. And this connects in more of a straight line this way. Alright, so here's positive 3, here's the vertical line, x is equal to negative 2. And what it's asking me to find is the region that's bounded between the x-axis and this graph. So it's talking about this negative region, and then it's talking about this positive region. Alright, so I'm going to split this up into, first of all, the negative part. So it's going to go from negative 2 to negative 1. And then I'm going to add that to the region from negative 1 all the way to 3. So that's kind of where the two separate parts kind of split up. This is all going to be negative, and then the rest of it's going to be positive. Alright, so I'll call this region A. So the area of region A is a triangle. The base of it is 1. The height of it is down 2. So this area is going to be 1/2 times 2, which is 1. However, because it's below the x-axis, it's going to be assigned a negative value for the integral. And then now for the region B, all this is region B. The base of this triangle is 1/2 times the base, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the height of it looks like it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, all the way to 8. So it's going to be 1/2 times 32, which is 16. And then you just combine these up together, and your integral value is going to be a positive 15. Alright. There is one u-try example. I'll go ahead and put this on here. So find the area that's bounded by 2 minus x, the x-axis, and the lines negative 1 to 3. So I'll give you a moment to pause it, sketch this out. Notice this has a y-intercept of 2, a slope of negative 1. Alright, at this point you should have tried the problem, sketched it out, and then I'll flip over to reveal the answer. So you should have got the integral from negative 1 to 3, and the integral should have came out to be 4. I can go over with you this example tomorrow on how to sketch it, and how to solve it if you got the incorrect answer. And that's it for this video.